Welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to show you how to prepare and cook turnip roots. Oh yeah, we have 12 huge, nice-sized turnip roots, and I'm going to show you how I prepare these soul food turnip roots, Southern cooking, PromoSTK Sheila Creations way. And as you see, I've peeled them. Now I've cut them up, and we're going to go ahead, and you saw the seasonings. We're going to get these in the pot. We're going to also be using the ham hock meat liquor that we're going to be putting in here as a broth in addition to these seasonings here that you see. So let's get started. All right, so we have our pot with our ham hock meat liquor in it now on the stove. And if you have a numbered stove, you would have it between 8 and 9, which is medium high to get started. We're going to go ahead and add our turnip roots to this pot. Now we're going to go ahead and put our seasonings, and we're going to give it a really good stir. We're going to cover with my famous saran wrap, and we're going to let it cook down on medium heat for about 30 minutes. Then we'll come back in, check it again, see how tender they are. I did cut them in a little larger chunks because that's the way I like them. And we are going to come back in about 30 minutes and check the tenderness. And if it needs additional 30 minutes, we'll reduce the heat to a low medium, which is between a 3 and a 4. We'll see at that point, so stay with me. All right, so we're going to go ahead and check them. We're going to give them a stir, and we're going to turn the eye down. As I stated before, I'm going to turn the eye down to a low to medium, which is between a 3 and a 4, if you have a numbered stove. And here you have it, Southern turnip roots, made Sheila's Creations way. Soul food ready to be eaten. Oh yeah. Don't forget, hit that like button, thumbs it up, and become part of our Oh Yeah Baby today.